Hi.
Hi.
This is Suite 1069. It's an executive corner suite at the Omni Hotel in Louisville, Kentucky.
It's amazing.
It is, of course, amazing. Pretty decent solutions.
Look at the shelf on your phone. That's very cool. That's wood.
That is the front of the Louisville
Nice. I didn't know how to do that. That's fantastic.
Well, there's plenty of storage. Large television. Nice desk. Very contemporary. An amazing view. Floor to ceiling windows. And that is Interstate 65. Over there, the Ohio River north. And then there's the bedroom. A corner suite. Again. An amazing view. Hold on, let me get over there, man. Oh, that was nice. Yeah, that was some nice trophy we've ever seen. Maybe too good for the likes of me. And, yes, the bathroom. Floor to ceiling window. The shower stall is monstrous. Bigger than the bathroom at home. And my wife is gonna love this tub.
Yes, she is.
Oh my goodness. Guys enjoyed the tour. We're gonna unpack and
And we'll show you
enjoy.
the mess in a little while.
Yeah, we'll show you the mess we can make on New Year's Eve 2021.
Need some extra motivation.
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
So, New Year's 2021, we got a little Matt Brody and Dwayne Johnson up on the screen. Just might take a second here. So we as is our tradition, are in Louisville, downtown, at the Omni Hotel, which is one of the nicest hotels around. And they put us in an executive corner suite, which is one of the nicest rooms around. So, pretty sweet. So, Happy New Year's 2021, moving into 2022. We're very happy. Love you so much, my wife. You can do it.